Hello everyone, my name is Đăng. I 6 years old. Today we'll talk about baby animals.
Okay, first page.
This dog
Ending sound.
has 2 puppies. They are very cute.
Okay, good.
This is a kitten. A kitten is a baby cat.
Okay, baby cat.
This is a mother's sheep. She has two
lambs.
lambs. These are baby rabbits. They have long ears.
Ending sound.
Ears.
Ears.
This lion has two babies. Cubs. Long lion. Cubs
Yeah.
look like
Ending sound.
to play.
Okay.
This baby gorilla is on here. His five feathers black back. He loves these feathers. This baby birds are in a tree. The baby birds are looking at me.
Babies are looking at me. Okay, that's the end. Goodbye.
Goodbye.